Okay, hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Doing a bit of a slightly different video today, more of an unboxing and initial impressions on this helmet. We've been requested by our members on Facebook to take a look at more motorcycle gear as well as motorcycles. So this is the first one. It's a Leopard Leo 717 is the model number. It's a flip-up helmet. It's also, it has on the side here, you might be able to see, it's ISO 9001 2008 approved, so it is European legal on the street and on a motorcycle, which is very important, and also does have a dot rating for safety as well. So in the box, what you get, you open it up and you see a kind of a cover for the helmet itself. It's a red and black cover. I'll just get rid of the box. There's nothing else in there. Just some salt stuff at the bottom to keep it going from going off. So that's the helmet itself. Hopefully I can zoom in a bit more here, like that. Open it up. I hope we have some shots, maybe not now, but later on in the video of how it looks. Me riding on the bike, or not riding, but sitting on a bike. I ordered the just the matte black one, just because I think it's fairly standard. It does have vents at the front here, as you can see here. Just to go over as well, the price of this is £50 or €50 or 43.99 in pounds. So it's really good value, I think. Just because we see a lot of people who are getting kind of really, I know cheap is probably the wrong word, but bad value helmets that aren't European approved and shouldn't really be on the road. So this is something that is, at least when you start off, even if on a little scooter or something, you should get something like this. I'm in no way saying that I'm an expert in any of these helmets in its dot rating and so on, but once it has a dot rating and it's EU legal, it's pretty good going. Vents on the back here as well. Side has some branding for Leopard, and we'll see the flip action here. You press, there's a red button inside this one here, and then you press this, got red right, press this and you open up. No sun visor in this one. Oh, sorry, hit the camera. No sun visor in this one. You just get some documentation inside, and it's also a quick release clamp tie on here at the base. So apart from that, personally, I think style wise, it's a very nice looking helmet. Pretty good that it has the flip up. I enjoy having the flip up because you can go into a petrol station then with the helmet still on, just flip up at the top. Visor at the front does come up. It's a non-tinted visor too. As you can see, like I said, it says at the front I got a medium because that fits my head. And probably switch to me on the bike now, riding and seeing how it looks. Okay, now that we're back from putting it on my head and how you saw it on the bike itself, from riding I did take it out for a spin. I just reapplied this plastic at the front here. Of course I didn't go out with that. It's pretty silent inside as well, which is nice. It's not too loud with wind. What I recommend is for track day use, of course not, it's not a full face. Would I recommend it for if you're on your brand new BMW S1000RR? No, but it is a great helmet for getting started. I mean, and for €50 you really can't go too badly wrong with it, seeing it does has some dot rating and EU regulated as well. So that's been the initial impressions and review of this helmet. There will be links to an Amazon link to this helmet down below if you are interested, if you want to buy it. If you want to go ahead and click that link. As well as that, I have more little reviews of motorcycle gear coming in the forms of gloves, a jacket and locks, just to kind of get you started. So I think in a week or so, I'll have a full workout of helmet, jacket, gloves and locks, the kind of bare minimums that you need to get started on a bike for under, I think, €250. So that's pretty good going. So stay tuned if you want to see more of that. If you'd like this Leopard helmet as well, do leave a like. Comment down below what you think of these cheaper helmets, and whether you would wear one like this yourself. And finally, subscribe if you haven't already.